entering from the rear deck into a nice long kitchen, followed by a breakfast bar or even a desk workspace with a side hatch and a side hatch on the other side. Coming round back to the kitchen again, cooker, lots of storage, nice long workspace and sink at the other end. Moving on into a small passage, on the left is the bathroom. The bathroom has a cassette toilet, wash basin and shower above a bath. Continuing down the passage into a nice long living area, big enough to subdivide into maybe a living space and a bedroom. At the front, solid fuel stove, out onto a foredeck, turning around and going back through the boat. Nice large windows. The windows are being replaced, so it will have brand new windows for the new buyer. Back down the passageway. Radiators from central heating from an Eberspacher diesel boiler in the engine space. Back through the front. Battery charger and electrics, including the Eberspacher control.